Hi, today I'm making a cucumber pepper salad. And so this is a very simple salad, has all these great fresh vegetables, peppers and cucumber and red onion. And you begin with 3/4 cups of finely chopped green bell pepper. And I'm going to do the same with my orange bell pepper as well as my red bell pepper. And so it's very colorful, as you can see. It's a beautiful salad. I'm doing about a half a cup, maybe a little more or less, of chopped red onions, and then a cup and about a quarter of diced cucumbers. And all of my ingredients are there. I'm adding salt and pepper. And in this case, I'm adding my favorite salad dressing, but you could definitely do an oil and vinaigrette on this salad. You're going to toss it, and it literally takes 10 minutes to make this, and it's ready to serve. It's a great salad for summer. It holds up very well, so you can make ahead. If you're going to another, summer function, you can make the salad ahead, and it will last in the refrigerator a couple of days and maintain its freshness. I definitely recommend this salad. It's a great one for the summer.